Still filming, huh? Is that the flashing light means?
Yes, red flashing means it's on.
I'll do my best to keep up with you.
I'm not going anywhere near flat out here because it's too slippy.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It just comes straight off.
I don't want to film your death.
No, exactly. Although, it would make for a pretty interesting video.
I get a lot of hits on YouTube.
All set?
Yep.
Go faster.
Yeah.
That was a pretty serious downhill section, that.
That was good fun. I liked the wee back end flick. That came out well. Flash bastard. If I'd had that, it'd be embedded in a tree now. Okay, I'm with you. Yep, go for it.
Oh my god, we've got cloud as well this time.
Oh, nice, spooky. Well held, that man. Well held. That was sketchy as fuck. Awesome.
I told you it was slippy.
Yeah, well held, man.
Try again. That was a full section as well, actually. Right. Go ahead. How are you meant to get through that? If I'd gone directly through there, I would have come off. That's too deep.
That was a bit where weight got you through it, mate.
It was.
That was fucking brilliant. That was proper stuff.